This is a technique for converting a straight dipole to a folded dipole measurements. What we have here in this example is a UHF antenna with a center frequency of around 435 megahertz and a bandwidth of around 10 megahertz from 430 to 440 megahertz. We are required twice the material of the straight dipole to produce a folded dipole driven element. So we need to consolidate all those extra materials properly to produce the required folded dipole without wasting too much aluminum materials. So from here, we have 2.5 centimeter from each side. That is the bending radius of the bender, which will produce an additional 7 centimeter designated as variable B. From this measurement, our side C is the longest side, which is actually the resulting measurement from subtracting the combination of the bending radius, which is equal to side C 28 centimeter. So 33 minus 5 is 28 centimeter. The 28 centimeter is the starting point or the bending point from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, resulting from bending the folded dipole elements. So to show you, if I measure the starting point 0 to 90 degrees, that is actually, as we can see here, it's 2.5 centimeter from 0 to 90 degrees. That 0 to 90 degrees will produce exactly 7 centimeter of additional aluminum material designated as B from our diagram. So we need to combine those extra materials and consolidate all the length of the materials to produce the actual length of the aluminum material that is required to produce the folded dipole. So from this measurement, we have our side C 28 centimeter, side A and D is 14 centimeter, but from here we designated it as 13 centimeter only because we subtracted 1 centimeter gap, which is required for us to feed the folded dipole, or we need to insert the feed line from these points with a gap of 1 centimeter. So consolidating all the material measurement, we have 14 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 28. So that is equal to 14 plus 7 plus 28 plus 7 plus 14 with an actual length of 70 centimeter aluminum length. So I have here an aluminum example which I already measured. 14 plus 7 plus 28 plus 7 plus 14 with a total of 70 centimeter length. This 14 centimeter is the center of the folded dipole, which is equal to the length of longest side divided by 2, which is actually C. the designated center. So that's it. That is how you consolidate the length of the required material to produce the folded dipole driven element.